Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nash. Today we're going to do our World Famous Foods version of green beef curry. Let's cook. Okay folks, so we got our pan. Gonna add our green curry paste. So we added coconut oil and some onions. We added coconut milk and we're going to bring this to a boil. Let's add our beef. Okay, we're going to add some bell peppers. Mr. Ron Daniels, I haven't forgot about you. Again, another recipe, Mr. Ron. No free food for you, buddy. Okay, gonna add some garlic and some habaneros. Wow, what an aroma. All right, food is ready. Let me just show you guys this World Famous Foods green curry beef. Look at that. Let's get some rice. Time to enjoy. Okay, so we got our rice. Watch this, folks. Gonna add some of this green curry beef. See that? That's what it is, folks. Time to enjoy World Famous Foods.